what is genetic epidemiology and what is computational genetic epidemiology. Major focus of this module is to find out epidemiological techniques which are basically used for finding the causes of diseases based on some environmental factors. So there are two major concerns which are we will be dealing in this module, that what is the effect of genetic information on some disease and what are the effects of some environmental factors while we are studying some genetic or some disease information. So if I will start from the definition of computational genetic epidemiology. By computation we mean anything which is performed using computing device. And what is genetic epidemiology? We will define this as it is a branch of medicine which deals with the incidence, distribution and possible control of diseases and other factors related to health. यानी कि ऐसी चीज़ जो हेल्थ से रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन के बारे में हमें आगाह करे, दैट वुड बी जेनेटिक एपिडेमियोलॉजी. अब होता हमारे पास क्या है कि बेसिकली वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट आर डिफरेंट कॉजेज एंड रिस्क फैक्टर्स रिलेटेड टू सम स्पेसिफिक डिजीज. यहाँ पर एक कॉमन टर्म जो हम यूज़ करते हैं दैट इज़ एटियोलॉजी. एटियोलॉजी हमारे पास क्या चीज़ है? एनीथिंग और कॉज विच हेल्प अस टू आइडेंटिफाई डिजीज़, के किसी डिजीज़ की कॉज को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए जो टर्म यूज़ करते हैं दैट इज़ आवर एटियोलॉजी. So proper definition it would be occurrence and distribution of health related diseases or events in some specified population. तो यहाँ से एक चीज़ ये पता लगी कि basically to find out causes and factors of some disease, and the other thing is it should be in some proper or specified population. कि एक specific area में हम ये find out करना चाहते हैं कि what are the reasons of diseases, if they are genetic factors or other factors. So which determinants influence these states or application of this knowledge to control health problem? What are these different factors? They might be either genes or the environment which will have these effects on the given population. So what are the basic concepts now which are related to these genetic information? So some basic concepts are how genetic factors such as our genomic information interacts with environment to have effects on some disease specific information, कि कैसे genetic information combine करती है environment factor से, and then it help us to identify causes and factors of diseases in some specific population. अब ये जो mechanism है इसको पढ़ने के लिए different तरीके हो सकते हैं. For example, there are different design mechanisms such as we start from the family studies. Family studies से मुराद क्या है कि वो लोग जो आपस में थ्रू बायोलॉजिकली एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड हैं, what would be the effect of some specific diseases or genetic information in those people, such as they can be very close to each other such as twins, and they can be very different to each other such as migrants. Then what are different models for this factor identification, and then what is effect of genetic and environmental factors. One basic terminology related to genetic epidemiology is population genetics. This population genetics can be defined as they are statistical techniques which help us to evaluate genetic effects of chronic diseases. कि जो हमारी chronic diseases हैं उनको read करने के लिए जो हम information use करते हैं that is based on population genetics. और इस population genetics में हमारा ज़्यादा focus genetic information पे होता है as compared to environmental information. So what is the advantage of all these things? There are two things. Either we have descriptive advantages or analytical advantages. Descriptive means कि हमारे पास कुछ rules define हो जाएंगे जिनकी बेस पे हम बता सकते हैं कि reason for the progress of some specific disease in some specific area are the following. Or we have some analytical rules कि जो हमारे पास problems आए हैं या जो rules हमने आए हैं उनमें से हम मज़ीद information analytically निकालेंगे कि रिजल्ट्स की मदद से हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे कि व्हाट आर द गाइडलाइंस टू सेव द पॉपुलेशन फ्रॉम अदर क्रॉनिक डिजीजेस, या ये जो डिजीज़ है दूसरे एरियाज में ना फैले. सो जीन्स कैन बी यूज एज ससेप्टिबिलिटी मार्कर्स. अब ये ससेप्टिबिलिटी मार्कर्स क्या हैं? बेसिकली वी हैव टू पैरामीटर्स विच आर जेनेटिक इंफॉर्मेशन एंड देन एनवायरनमेंट. सो based on these two markers what we can do, for example if we say that there is some mutation in the genetics and then there is exposure in environment also. So what will happen, both the things are positive, so there would be very high risk of getting some disease. Then if we say that there is mutation but there is no exposure to the atmosphere जिसमें कोई disease है, then there would be moderate risk of disease. Moving on, if we say that there is no mutation, कि जीन की कोई म्यूटेशन नहीं है, जीन सेम रहा है जीनोटाइप, प्लस देर इज सम एक्सपोजर, देन the risk of disease would be moderate. And finally, if there is no mutation and no exposure to the environment, there are no chances of the disease. So what we conclude that we want to identify two things. What are the genetic information factors, कि genetic information कैसे affect करती है towards some disease, and what is the effect of environment towards some disease. और इन दोनों के कम्बिनेशन कैसे यूज़ किए जा सकते हैं टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट वुड बी द फाइनल इफेक्ट्स ऑफ सम जेनेटिक और एनवायरमेंटल इफेक्ट ऑन सम स्पेसिफिक पर्सन और पॉपुलेशन टुवर्ड्स अटेनिंग सम डिजीज़.